Hello there. I will go over two songs that share the same hand position. And the first one is an old song that's I Hear the Windmill. And the other one is the new song that you're working on this week, which is Rain Dance Iona. And we're playing it in the key of D minor. So let's play it with me in the D minor. We're going to do our warm up in the right hand and in the left hand. La ti do re do ti la do mi, one chord. La ti do re re do ti la do mi, one chord. All right, and what's cool is, children, is that your left hand is part of the melody. We're going to use our mi. Everybody make sure you find that mi. That's your fifth note in the D minor scale. La, ti, do, re, mi. Because we're going to use that. And so let's start on I Hear the Windmill. Bom is our first pitch. La, ti, do. Do is our first pitch. That's your third finger. Do, ti, do, la, mi, la. That's the first part of the song. And it would be mi, do, ti, do, la, mi, la. I hear the windmill ticka, right? You remember that. I hear the windmill turning. I hear the windmill ticka, I hear the windmill turning. Tick, ticka. So the next part B is la, ti, do, la, ti, do, la. Put it into the words. Tick, taka. Tick, tock. That part is do, re, mi. Tick, tock. Try the second part one more time. La, ti, do, la, do, re, mi. Tick, taka. Tick, tock. And then tick, taka. Do, re, mi, re. And that's it. And then you start from the beginning. I hear the windmill ticka, taka. I hear the windmill turning. Okay, great. Now, Rain Dance Iona. We're staying in the same position. And the song goes, hey, oh, way, hey, Iona. So that part, what do you think that starts with? Here's your home tone, la, ti, do. It starts again on the same pitch. Hey, oh, way, hey, la. And then, do, la. Hey, oh, way, hey, do, la. Mi, la. That's where your left hand comes in for the mi, like with the windmill turning, right? Hey, oh, way, hey, Iona. Hey, oh, way, hey, Iona. Hey, oh, way, hey, Iona. Right, that's the first part, and you can play that 3 times. Hey, oh, way, hey, Iona, and then 2 more times. After you've done that comes part B. Hey, Iona. What pitch is that? Hey. Starts on mi and do again. Hey. And then do, re, mi. Hey, Iona. Do, mi, re. Do, mi, re. Hey, Iona. And then do, la, la, mi, la, la. Hey, away, Iona. Okay, let's put that together. Hey, away, hey, Iona. One more time. Hey, away, hey, Iona. Last. Hey, away, hey, Iona. Now melody changes. Hey, Iona. Hey, away, Iona. That's the first time. We'll do that 2 more times. Hey, Iona. Hey, away, Iona. Last. Hey, Iona. Hey, away, Iona. Great. Then you do the first part 3 more times. Hey, hey, away, hey, Iona. Hey, away, hey, Iona. Hey, away, hey, Iona. And then you go, hey, oh, hey, yeah. And then you can go down here, hey, yeah. So that will be me, 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 or me, 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 me. That's when we jump up in the song. Hey, Iona, hey, away, Iona. And 2 more times. Hey, away, Iona. Last. Hey, away, Iona. Hey, away. Okay? Now, should I play the whole thing together without stopping? Okay, let's do it one more time. And you can add a little open fifth to make this more interesting. Hey, away, hey, Iona. Hey, away, hey, Iona. Hey, away, hey, Iona. Hey, Iona. Hey, away, Iona. Hey, Iona. Hey, away, Iona. Third. Hey, Iona. Hey, away, Iona. Hey, away, hey, Iona. Hey, away, hey, Iona. Hey, away, hey, Iona. Hey, ya, hey, ya, hey, ya. Hey, Iona. Hey, away, way, Iona. Hey, away, Iona. Hey, away, Iona. Hey, away. And that's it. All right. I hope this will help you for next week. Have a great week at the piano. Bye.